These are the beautiful waters of Switzerland. हाँ बिल्कुल. These are the beautiful waters of Switzerland, and mummy is enjoying this beautiful boat ride, and this boat is being driven by Papa, and we are all enjoying in this boat, and Papa is very happy sailing in Switzerland, and it is a lovely nazara here, and we are all enjoying Switzerland in the month of July of 2024. It's 8th of July. Tomorrow is 9th July, mummy's birthday.
Yes.
And we are totally enjoying.
अरे देखो बड़ा